Grabe! Ang lala ng bundok na to-do list ngayon. Literal na multitasking malala. Pero wait, I received a special surprise pack today. Ang cute ng summer tote bag na to. Look at these pins, oh, ang cute. May pa-welcome card pa. May clean aesthetic branded face towels. Tamang-tama kasi di ba ang init ngayon? A cute water bottle. Avo Chill Tumbler. A green fan. And wait, a bubble toy. Nakakatuwa naman to. Ayan, naglaro ang bata. Wait, merong pinadala isa pa. What's inside this cooler box? Ang ganda oh. Oh wow, inside are these. This is Avocadoria's Señorita. It's your favorite avocado ice cream on a stick covered in premium flavored chocolate coatings. They have strawberry, matcha, and Biscoff. Since favorite ko ang Biscoff, let's try that first. Guys, unang kagat pa lang, ang sarap. Look at that. It's not too sweet, it's just right. Enjoyin ko to. Kasi today, ako naman muna, taking a much needed break from all the stress. Kasi truth be told, super daming ginagawa. And honey, I totally deserve a señorita. Ang lala ng init sa labas, so this is the ultimate summer cool down treat. Pause, Avo break, repeat. This is your everyday Avo break energy. Hindi pwedeng work lang ng work, dapat may reward din. Kaya ikaw, wag mo nang patagalin. Visit your nearest Avocadoria branch and try the señorita and you'll know exactly what I mean. Tara!